So that's the thing that I'm giving away. A simple thing that you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and by the end of August, I'm gonna announce the winner. And wherever you are, I'm gonna send it, I'm gonna ship it back to you. So, you know, like, subscribe to get this thing. Is already overheating. Okay guys, here is the beast, the EOS R5. So let me open it. It's very well sealed. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Yes, that's so. That is the EOS R5, guys. Wow. I mean, it's really feel nice in my hand. You know, the body is, this one is aluminum alloy, and you know the grip is like a leather, like high quality leather. I don't know, it looks like plastic, but it feels like high quality leather, and when you hold it, it's gonna stick in your hand. Wow. Also, there's a flip up screen. You know, we got the flip up screen. Let's look at this. Oh yeah. So here's the sensor. 45 megapixel sensor is in there, but it's protected, it's covered. It's weather sealed, you know, that's why it's covered like that. Let me just get you know, get the lens and see how with the lens it feel like. Okay. Alright guys, so that's the Canon RF lens 24 to 70. I mean, it's a heavy lens, and with this one, I think fit very well in my hand, and also when I hold it, you know, this way, it's make it really steady. And I'm so pleased that I managed to pre-order and among the first people, you know, to get it. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna review it, hands-on review. So I'm gonna try the 8K 30 frames per second. I'm gonna try the 8K RAW. I'm gonna try the 4K HQ. I'm gonna try the 4K 120 frames per second, all of it. And also I'm gonna use Atomos Ninja to see, you know, the issue of the overheating. Is it with the Atomos Ninja 5 is gonna help with the overheating and last longer? And what else? So I'm gonna try also the picture, because this one is a hybrid camera. You know, whatever people saying about it overheating left and right, or comparing that with the Sony A7S III, is not the right comparison. These are hybrid. You got 45 megapixel in there, and you got 8K recording in there, and also you got the 4K oversample from 8K. Right now in the market, there is not a camera, a mirrorless full frame camera as powerful as the EOS R5. So I'm really looking forward to bring you more videos. So subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. You know, like this video, and I will see you in my next video. You know, Hakuna Matata, as always. Be safe, protect yourself. Bye for now.